GM guys, so as we all know, crypto is a hot mess currently right now. Sending money, swapping tokens, messing with DApps. Now stuck wrestling with wallets, copying crazy long addresses, stressing over gas fees, and guessing which network currently we are in. No wonder it's not for everyone yet. So there is my project comes named 10xSwap. This fix all of those problems with the AI guided gasless smart account on base. So what it does, yeah, you have to come to a platform and make a set of rules. We will later on discuss on what is the rule, but you have to make set of rules or hit execution, like it auto rotate via OX gasless AI agent kit, who sponsor gas when available and display clear transaction status. uh, Now come to our platform. This is our platform. You can see the home screen. This home screen is divided into two parts, like market overview and top cryptocurrencies. Those data and those coins are fetched from the API, which is coin rank and coin Greco. So uh, so in this right side, you can see the topmost dominating currency, and overall in these three cards you will see different kinds of data. Now if you click on the Bitcoin or whatever, any coin, you can go to the different page, where you can see every detail about those coin or tokens more clearly or detailed way. Okay, so come to the agent part. This is the most interesting part, and this is the main thing of this project. Now when you can see when you come to the page, there is a agent dashboard, and there is a agent dashboard where agent rules and activities are shown. And now we can see the autopilot portfolio button. What this button does, this creates autopilot rules, and what these rules actually does. So there is strategy, coin, trigger, drop percentage, max spend, max slippage, cooldown. Those all combined make a rule. Like suppose this is DCA. You can read what DSA is. It's very simple. So suppose you select any strategy, then you have to select a coin. Okay, you have to select a coin. When you select a coin, for now this is we limited the coins choices. We currently supported just USDC, then ETH, and then I think these two or three. Uh, Currently, I don't remember, but the main thing is, then we have to come the trigger. Trigger is like, suppose in trigger you select the percentage drop, and drop percentage you select 2. Okay, so what does it mean? It mean that when the coin value, suppose USDC's value drop 2%, then you will buy the coin of this amount. Okay, of max spend USD this amount. Then you have to place your max slippage, then cooldown. And what is cooldown is, it is basically iteration. Okay, so what it does, here you can see the last run and next check. Okay, the last run is current time, next check is what cooldown you given. Based on that, the next check will be updated. From my case, I place 1 hour. So every 60 minutes, the next iteration will run. And that iteration, what the iteration does, every iteration will check what rule, which rule you applied within this time frame. This rule um, uh, has surpassed the real limit or not. I will explain it more clearly. Suppose you buy a coin from 10 rupees, and uh, you make a rule that if coin value drop to 8, then you will buy the coin. Now you give the cooldown 1. So what it does, in every 1 hour it will check that coin value drop to 8 or not. If it's dropped to 8, then it will buy the coin. So it's the basic work. Now it comes to the action: pause, execute, delete. Pause is like pause the current active rule. Then delete is like it delete the rule. And execute, like it's very important, and I will want to describe you more about it. I have to go to the local build. Okay. So here you can see there is lots of API calls are coming. Now what it does, there is, you can see the API rules. API rules are like which rules are we make, and there is owner, like on owner is what our yeah, wallet address. There you can see the logs are nothing but what happened, the actually data, which is I mean the status type, those are kind of things are log in this case. Okay. So we focus on the execution part. When you click the execution, you can see compile API agent execute. Okay, let give some time. And yeah, so API agent is compiled. Then you can see the SQLite. SQLite is not used in production version, but in local version, because at first I think I will run it on SQLite, but later on I will shift on a cloud base. So whatever. So now you can see the main thing, that execute is not agent execute is not executed, give 500 error. So what does it mean? Does it really give an error, or here is any fault of my side? I will explain. So these things happen, these so what it does, it first check my super account, that I have enough amount to spend or not. In my case, my super account hasn't any kind of token value or anything. Where I can show you. So I believe that that's why this give me error. Otherwise, you can see the compilation run successfully. Then it goes to the rules. It check the rules. Okay, rules perfect. Go. Then you save the what execute what rules, the metadata actually in log file. Then it compile the API price. Then it check what the current price of the token or coin is. Then it will come to the applied. So execute. Then so basically I mean the structure is completely perfect. How I want to work it, so it basically work like the same way. So where is the problem? I believe that the problem is my smart account. My smart account hasn't any kind of fund. That's why it can't execute. So this is my belief. Obviously, I can't prove that because I haven't fund on my smart account. But if you any of you guys have fund, please try it and let me know. Now after that we will go to the another most interesting thing, which is the AI agent bot. And yeah, n- the AI agent bot. So first you can see the general guideline. Okay, it's made by the cursor. Now you can see what is my address. Okay, I think it's the local version. Yeah. Now you can see the smart account gas list. Now when I click this, it will show. See, the ETH value is 0. This is my smart account address. Okay. Now this is my server EOA. A server EOA is your wallet address, which wallet I connect. For your case, for any third party person who connect from the wallet, it will show that connected EOA your wallet. Okay. Uh, Now if I type the gas price, it will show this, and if I type the price of Sol, it will show the Sol price. Okay. And yeah, there is lot more action. And if you want to try, you can check out from this from my GitHub profile and try it accordingly. But there is some interesting which I'm looking for. There's, yeah, portfolio connected EOA. What it does, basically, if you want to see the portfolio, it will show you the portfolio of smart account, not your EOA. So you have to create a specific uh, what I say, the specific command to show this. And here it can show the asset Ethereum is don't judge me, but yeah, that's the correct. Okay, so this what it can does, and it does a lot more. Now I can show something. Yeah, those are not like hard code. Yeah, you can see this. Now you can see the top tokens. It shows the top tokens. So this is my project, and thank you to give me the opportunity. This is me, Onik, signing off.